Hey guys, you are watching Agri News YouTube channel. Welcome to all on Agri News YouTube channel. Today our topic is how to get Hungry scholarship successfully. Guys, scholarship selection depends on 6 parameters. We will discuss all parameters one by one. All the parameters were enlisted below. At the end, best one suggestion for student to apply for scholarship. The parameters of Hungry scholarship selection. First one parameters your management to apply. Second one is your previous grades. Third one is your publication. Fourth one is entrance exam taken by your home country. Fifth one is entrance test taken by donor country. Sixth one, your performance in interview. I request you that you must subscribe our YouTube channel so that you will receive the notification of all upcoming videos about international scholarship. Now come to our topic. Today our topic is parameters of Hungry scholarship selection. The first one parameter your management to apply for Hungary. One of the most important steps of scholarship. One of the most important steps of scholarship, it means this is the first one and most important one steps of scholarship getting. If you apply properly, manage all documents, properly upload all required documents, then you will get scholarship successfully. If your application submission is incomplete application, wrong information will lead to disqualification. Some students rejected due to their documents are short or without any sense. It means some students make documents which are wrong or incorrect, then they will disqualify for scholarship. They do not have any idea to make documents. Next one is your previous grades. In scholarship selection process, the most important role is your previous grade. If your previous grades are good, then more chances to win scholarship. Your previous grades helpful in getting scholarship. Next one is your publications. This one is for PhD student. If you have publication, then more chances to win scholarships because professors professors of the university where you want to apply for admission evaluate your publication at the time when you demand acceptance letter. Try to add training certificate and abstract in curriculum vitae. Next one step is entrance exam taken by your home country. If your home country get entrance exam, then you must perform good if you want to get scholarship. If you get good marks in entrance exam, then you will be easily selected. First of all, home country shortlisted candidate, then send the list of shortlisted candidate to donor country. Next one is entrance test taken by donor country. Donor country is that country of is that university which take test for selection. University of Hungary country. Hungary is the donor country which provide you scholarship for future. University of Hungary country take online quiz for selection. Try to get good marks. Online quiz will be of 30 minutes. It contains 20 MCQs. Next one is your performance in interview. All donor countries will take interview of 5 to 10 minutes. If you give answer all the questions properly, then you will be successful. Prepare yourself and be confident. For interview, first of all, you introduce yourself in English. Then your confidence is increased and you will perform the in interview very good. The next one step is how you will get scholarship. How you will get scholarship nowadays? Too much, guys, nowadays too much competition in scholarship application. I give you a one suggestion that apply for all scholarship. If you will selected in more than one scholarship, then choose best one. No one scholarships are low category. All scholarships donor countries tried fully to facilitate the successful candidate. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share our channel videos.